Good morning, students. In the last video, I have discussed with you the five kingdom classification system, the first kingdom Monera, in which we kept single celled and prokaryotic celled organism. Mode of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic, right? So all these characters I have already discussed with you. Now, today I will discuss that Monera is divided further into the four groups, right? The first group, or you can say the first subgroup of Monera, it is Archibacteria. Clear? Now, these are means bacteria which are in this group. Now, these bacteria are special since they live in some of the most harsh habitat. Habitat means but a place where the organism live, natural place, right? We call it habitat. So Archibacteria is one of the group of bacteria which you can get in very harsh environmental conditions. For example, such as extreme salty areas, means यहाँ बहुत नमक होता है. There you can find these bacteria, and we call those bacteria halophiles. Similarly, in the hot springs, गर्म पानी के झरनों में, we call them thermoacidophils. Lots of acid is also there, beta. Then marshy areas, marsh का मतलब समझते बेटा दलदल, clear? So there are certain bacteria which is found in marshy areas and we call them methanogens. Now, so these are the different habitats where you will find the archibacteria, and according to the environment we give them different names. If it is found in salty area, we call them halophiles. If in the hot springs, we call it thermoacidophils. If in marshy areas, we call them methanogens. Clear? Now, archibacteria differ from other bacteria. अब इसमें और normal bacteria में क्या फ़र्क है बेटे? In having a different cell wall structure. Their cell wall is different from the other bacteria. Now, what is the difference? And this feature is responsible for their survival in the extreme conditions. Clear? Their cell wall is not as normal as in other bacteria. They are having a very special type of cell wall. Clear? Their cell wall is very rigid. Clear? Very rigid cell wall you can see having, which makes them to survive in that hard cell wall. Clear? Now, methanogens, if we talk about, मीथेन इज सच अ गैस बेटा विच इज़ हाईली फ्लेमेबल. आपके जो गैस सिलेंडर्स होते हैं ना, उसमें भी मिक्सचर ऑफ लोअर एल्केन्स होता है, उसमें भी मीथेन होती है. सो मिथेनोजेंस help to produce the methane gas. Clear? And these methanogen bacteria, they are present in the gut of the several ruminant animals. Clear? Gut का मतलब food pipe बेटा. तो ruminant animals होते हैं जो जुगाली करते हैं, like cow, buffaloes. Clear? तो these bacteria means methanogen bacteria, they are found in their gut. Clear? And they are responsible for the production of methane. Right? So that's why this methane or biogas, it is produced from the dung of these animals. Clear beta? So this is about the methanogens and all about the archibacteria, the first group of your Monera. Clear beta? With this I give you the knowledge. So next eubacteria I will discuss tomorrow in the next video. Thanks and have a nice day beta.